What exactly is a presidential pardon? It's a power granted to the president that allows them to forgive a person's crime and relieve them of the legal consequences. The power of pardons originates from the U.S. Constitution. Article 2, Section 2 grants the president the authority to grant reprieves and pardons for offenses against the United States. One of the most controversial pardons came when President Gerald Ford pardoned his predecessor, Richard Nixon, for any crimes he may have committed while in office. In 2007, President George W. Bush pardoned Scooter Libby, a former aide who was convicted of perjury in a leak investigation, igniting fierce debate over accountability. In his final days in office, President Barack Obama controversially commuted the sentence of Chelsea Manning, who was convicted for leaking classified information. President Donald Trump's pardon of former National Security Advisor Michael Flynn in late 2020 drew significant attention, as Flynn had pleaded guilty to lying to the FBI. Every holiday season, we often see a flurry of pardons granted to various high-profile figures, showcasing the unique timing and implications of this power. Presidential pardons can greatly influence public perception of justice, leading to questions about fairness and the rule of law. The debate surrounding presidential pardons continues to evolve, raising critical questions about their purpose and potential for abuse.